Okay, now through this video, we are going to solve some conditional probability problems, okay? I'm going to help you out with these 4 exercises, but you should complete the rest of exercises that are on your book, okay? On pages from 58 to 61, please, okay? I think there are like 10 exercises, so I'm going to help you with 4 of them, and you must complete the rest. Okay, so number 1, the probability that students in high school pass algebra is 0.4. Okay, the probability that they pass physics is 0.3, and the probability that they pass both subjects is 0.2. Okay, if a student is selected at random, what is the probability that they pass algebra given that they pass physics? Okay, so remember this: when we are going to use conditional probability, okay, we are going to check what is the situation that has already occurred. Okay, right now what had happened is the student passed physics, so this is in the second place. So we need to know what is the probability of that the student pass algebra, okay, given that he passed physics, okay? So according to this, always, let me clear this, always guys, we are going to pick the probability that both things occur, okay, divided by the probability of the situation that is the condition, okay? The situation that we know has already happened, okay? So in this case, what is the probability for a student to pass both subjects? Okay, is 0.2 divided by the probability that a situation has already occurred. We mean that they pass physics is 0.3. That's it. We're going to divide 0.2 by 0.3, okay? And we have this, okay? And we can transform this to percentage, so 66.67%. This is the probability, okay? Now, let's continue with the number 2. In high school, 20% of the students pass mathematics, 30% pass history, and 5% pass both subjects. What is the probability that a randomly chosen student pass mathematics given that it is known they pass history? Okay, so we need to know what is the probability to pass mathematics given that history is already passed, okay? So in this case, history is our universe, so we are going to divide it by the probability of passing history. And in the top, okay, in the numerator part, we are going to write always the probability of both situations occurring at the same time. Okay, so this intersection of passing math and history. So the probability of passing both is 0.05, and the probability of passing history is 0.3. Yeah, so we're going to divide 0.05 by 0.3, and we have this. So it is 16.67%. Okay, this is our final answer. Number 3, in a high school, 60% of the students pass chemistry, 70 pass biology, and 45 pass both. Suppose that a student is chosen at random and calculate the probability that they pass biology given that they pass chemistry. All right, so what is the probability of passing biology given that chemistry has already been passed? So chemistry is our condition, our universe, and the probability of both occurring is always on top. Okay, the probability, the chance for both subjects to be passed is 45%. Okay, and the probability of passing only chemistry is 0.6. So the result of this division is 0.75. That means you have 75% of chances that you pass biology while you have passed chemistry. Okay. Finally, in the biology department of certain university, 60% of the courses have a final exam, and 50% require research papers. Additionally, 30% of the courses have both a final exam and a research paper. Find the probability that student has a final exam given that they must complete a research paper. Okay, so what is the probability to present a final exam if you have already do the research paper? Okay, so on top always the intersection that implies both situations occur, applying final exam and the research paper. And our condition marks our universe, so we are going to divide by probability of the research. Okay, so the courses that require both are 30%, and those that only require research paper 50%. Yeah. Yes. So if we divide 30% by 50%, we have 60%. Okay. So this means 60% of chances of give an exam, a final examination, while you did their research paper. We here can notice that this is 60% of the courses have final exam, and if you complete the research paper, what is the probability? We also have the 60%. That implies that both to present, okay, the final examination and to do the research paper are independent events. Okay, well, so exercises number 5 to 10 are gonna be solved by yourselves. Okay, so please do it and upload your activity to Teams.